Hi sweetlings! It's me again, Julie. So, finally, may part 2 na sa first video ko na ginawa ko noon na work with me. And I received a lot of requests about na gumawa ako ng part 2 na showing you guys how I work or how it looks like if mag-live scribe ako with my client. This video is just a quick video, parang time-lapse lang po siya sa whole shift ko na nagla-live scribe ako with client. And also, i-blur ko po some parts of this video for my client's protection and my patient's protection. And also para wala tayong mabibreak na HIPAA, rules. And I will be taking you again with me while I do my live scribing work. Kaya basta live scribe.
But before we start, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell para kapag may bagong video ko, kayo yung unang makakita. Let's start!
The patient was seen in the office today, and the patient said that your office will fax over the documents, the referral note from your office, but we did not receive it yesterday and today. Can you please fax over the referral note, recent encounter note of the patient, updated medication list, and the recent laboratory result for this patient? So I will be taking a quick break. We are very busy today, so this will be a working break. I have to go. Bio break.
Leave a comment below if you have any questions and suggestions, and you can also take a screenshot of that comment, share it on your Instagram story, and tag me, and get the chance to be featured on my next video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you guys on my next video. Bye sweetlings, take care!